Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
Eddie Alba, how you doing, man? Are you ready to take some calls from New York, Connecticut, New Jersey, and people who even own properties as far as Florida and Georgia, Delaware, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, and Maine? Are you ready, sir? Where is my Eddie? Did Eddie run off of me? Where did he go? Mr. Alba.
Yeah, Squeeze.
Hello there.
Squeeze. You hear me?
Yeah, much better now.
Okay. How you
doing? I don't know. I don't know what that was. I guess DJ Sean is just punishing me, saying he doesn't want me to talk to you, man.
Nah,
but that's okay.
Everything's cool.
That's quite okay.
How you doing?
Everything is cool. So everything's great, man. Are you ready to take some calls? A lot of folks out there want to still definitely buy homes, refinance their homes. And I want for you to once again inject some information into the listening audience.
Absolutely, Squeeze. This market is very, very unpredictable right now. Rates did inch up on us a little yesterday. That rate is 5.375 now on our FHA 30-year. We're still holding the 15 at 4.5. But, like we've been saying to all the listeners over the last several weeks, let's not gamble. This isn't Vegas or Atlantic City. This is your home. This is your financial well-being. Let's not gamble. I mean, rates are still at historically low levels. But, we don't want to see people get hurt when these rates start to inch up. So we want to protect all the listeners by locking them in. And that's one of the things we do at First Republic. We don't give them prevailing rates. We lock them in. They know exactly. After the first interview, the first sit-down meeting with one of the loan officers, they're going to know exactly where their payment is going to be, almost to the dollar at the time of closing. So there's no mysteries. We don't want people coming back to us saying, you said the amount was going to be such amount, now it's higher. That doesn't happen at First Republic, and we're real responsible with people's financial well-being. So we want to make sure that they're happy and they're satisfied at the closing. So that's the reason why we really lock in, especially in this market where it's up and down every day. So, we want people to call us and reach out to us, especially anybody that's owned their home for the last couple of years and it's sitting on the sidelines saying, you know what, I think the rates are going to go down. I think they're going to go down. Don't gamble. This is not the time to gamble in this industry. Rates are at a historically low level, the lowest in 30 years. Do not play with those numbers, folks, really. Get up, get off the couch, make the call, give me a call, and listen, if it doesn't make economic sense, I'm not going to do the loan for you. I refuse to do it. I've been in this game a long time, and I don't want to make sure that everybody's taken care of. But we need you to at least make a call and say, hey, Eddie, I got such and such credit cards. I got an auto loan. I got installment debt. This is my interest rate. Is there a better way for me to reduce my monies out of my pocket? A lot of people are working 1, 2, maybe 3 jobs out there, Squeeze. We need to simplify people's lives. This is 2008. We want people to spend more time with their families. We want you to enjoy life. And if you're stressed out over having several 8 accounts with creditors, car loans, installment loans, kids' education bills, you're not going to be a happy human being. And if if we reduce that stress level, at least take the financial stress out of your life, I think you're going to be a happier human being. So.
Absolutely. Once again, folks, Eddie Alba is the man's name. He's in the studios right now. And a lot of folks out there who are looking to get rid of their credit card debt, get rid of your bills from over the holidays, get rid of those little bills that keep popping up at home. Also, you want to put some cash in your bank account in your pocket. You want to take someone out. You want to make it a very special occasion. What better way to jump off the Valentine's Day by saying, hey, honey, listen up. I took care of the bills today. Yeah, I spoke with Eddie Alba, and Eddie's got us back on track. So next Valentine's, we can probably go to Hawaii. We can go to somewhere sexy and intimate and romantic like Fiji. So, hey, that's a nice way to go. And ladies, you can do the same. Get your, I know Valentine's is all misconstrued. The gents get the ladies the gifts. Come on, ladies, you got to get us some gifts too. Who is your Valentine? Well, maybe, ladies, you can make it Eddie Albert. So right now, make a phone call. I don't care what profession you're in. Link him up right now. What is he going to do for you? He's going to sit you down, if need be, in his office or speak with you on the phone lines. And he's going to explain, no matter how many bills you have, no matter if you think you still have a good interest rate, he's going to show you where you can save more money. Can you imagine saving as much as $6,000 a year, $12,000, sometimes even more? Find out about refinancing right now at the lowest possible rate in the country. The number to call the studios at to speak directly with the loan officer is 718-325-5555. Call him right this second. He's going to pick up the phone calls himself. Make the call right now. The number is 718-325-5555. Eddie Albert running to the phone lines. Thank you so much for coming into radio studios, man, and speaking with all these individuals each and every single day. Eddie Albert is from First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Call him right this second, 718-325-5555. I'm going to open up the phone lines right now. There goes the phone lines. Thank you so much, Eddie. I'm going to let you grab the lines, and we'll catch up later on right here on Link Up Radio 93.5 WVIP.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.